Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome to This Creative Life, episode number 2. Yes, it's fall. Welcome back. Hey, it's going to be a straight up fast update because I need to get this done before my husband gets home. So I have lots to update you guys on. I think the very first one though that I owe my sister because it took me forever to get it done. Yes, Lori, I got one of them finished. I gotta save up to finish the other one. So you guys want to see? She stitched this for me. And I got it framed. It turned out so nice. The Michaels in Stillwater did a really good job. And I flippin' love it. Isn't it pretty? Sorry for the glare. It is anti-glare, but you know, with the shining lights and stuff, but isn't it pretty? Oh, it's going right up in my kitchen floor. I love it. Thank you so much. Love it. Okay, so I've got other finishes that are actually mine. Yeah, it's been busy, people. Look at, I framed it. Not perfectly, but I did do it. Look at, now it's hanging up in my office and I love it. Love it. Needle worker, yeah, don't have the chart handy. You all know the chart. You know what it is. Okay, so I also have finishes that were my own designs. Picnic party. This one's available in my shop as a PDF. The actual special edition Bitsy Bob is sold out, but if you'd like to stitch it, you can get the PDF chart. This is a not just another button company. Not just another button. You know, that is where I got the button. And my newest is Fresh Pumpkins. A nice little long skinny for you. So this also comes with my special edition Fresh Pumpkins Bitsy Bob that I'll show in my shop update in just a bit. But I had a lot of fun designing and finishing it. And when you get it, you get the chart. You can get a print version of the chart in my shop, and this patch will come with it. And yeah, cute. Lady Dot creates Rick Rack in the colorway Jack. Really fun. Okay, so those are my finishes, cross stitch finishes, and then I also have a wool applique finish. If I can hold it up correctly. Threads Everywhere on Etsy. I'm going to have their link below. They have kits available. I'm not sure if this one's sold out or not, but you might want to check it out. Super cute and super fast to do. So that was very fun. What else? Oh, hey, remember when I said I was going to try to paint an eagle? I did it. Look at it. I painted an eagle. I'm telling you, let's make art. Subscription boxes can teach you anything. And it literally, I did it in like an hour. And it's not perfect, but if you just step away this far, it's pretty good. Isn't that fun? All right, so that's my painting. And I haven't painted since I painted the eagle. So I was too busy doing Fresh Pumpkins. So what did I get for recent stash acquisitions? I know, I'm sorry, guys. This is going to be a fast update, but Quilty, I had put myself on the pre-order list for this from Fat Quarter Shop because I have the first book. Now, just look at the bee, the flower, and then oh yeah, here's the beehive. And I'm pretty sure, so for each of those blocks, I'm pretty sure it gives you not only the small, but also the big. So if you want to do, yeah, 6 and 12-inch blocks. I think I'm reading this correctly. Honeybee block. I'll find out for sure and put in the notes below, but I'm pretty sure that these both have, it's not jumping out at me as I'm looking at the book, but if it's like the other book, they've got a large 12-inch version. Yes, no, I just see it right now. 6-inch and 12-inch blocks. So it gives you all the cutting instructions if you want to make the super small blocks or if you want to make the larger blocks. But it is fun. I love it. Now, what else? Oh, I'd seen people have these, but it's a DMC color card with the actual threads. Oh, it's so pretty. And now I can actually see the actual color, because on a computer screen, it just doesn't do it justice. Went to Stitchville last weekend with my friend Kira. I did a little damage. They had a model of this, and it's not, I've seen people stitch it online on Instagram, and I thought, oh, that's pretty, but in person, the colors just jump out at you, and it's beautiful. So they have a model at Stitchville if you stop by. They'll help you kit it up. Oh, it's really, really pretty. So that's fun. And then I got, oh, I kind of went nuts on the fall charts, guys. This one, October Feast. It's a squirrel. Love it. And then, just like everybody and their brother, gotta have this one. Woo to you. And I know I told you I went a little crazy. Just Nan. This little needle book. I really like the owl and the leaves. You know, I gotta have me some hands-on design, because these are freaking adorable. I gotta get the button pack though, because that just makes it so stinking cute. And this is an older one by Hands-On Design, but I really like it. So it'll be a tall skinny with my short skinny. And then a couple other charts that I've been wanting and just needed to add to my stash, and have no idea when I'm going to actually stitch this, is the Prairie Schooler. Very fun. And another Prairie Schooler. Yep. Which one is this? It's called Autumn Samplers. So I think for my September sampler, not only am I gonna keep working on my Harriet Salt, but you know me, I like to start things, people. I like to start. Okay, so that's that. News, Jan Hicks, congratulations. She's got a new design company. She's taking her absolutely stunningly gorgeous photos and putting them and charting them. Gorgeous. So my sister, who's the full coverage stitcher, Lori, we're gonna get you guys hooked up. She's working on a full coverage piece for her son for his wedding next year. So she's gonna be a little busy, but we're gonna teach her how to build some stash. All right, Lori, we're gonna teach you how to build some stash. All right, so, oh yeah. So pretty. I needed a new scissor fob for fall. And this is from Gina's Unique Boutique. Very fun, excuse my manicure. Really, really pretty. And I also got a pumpkin, really ornate pumpkin needle minder that's out on my stitching right now. So that's that. 10K update. So I actually double booked myself. Cindy's Cross Stitch Retreat and the 10K are on the same weekend. Well, I'm going to Cindy's Cross Stitch Retreat. So I think what I'll end up doing is like the following weekend, I'll just go out and run my own personal 10K. I'm still training, I'm still doing all that, and it's going really, really well. And I make myself do it. I make myself go out and run every other day. Even if I've got a ton to do, I have to invest, right? You have to invest in yourself to take care of yourself and stay healthy. So kudos to me for doing that. Yeah, Cindy's Cross Stitch. Hey, are you going? Let me know. PM me on Instagram or message me here on YouTube or email me. My email address is below. Let me know if you're going. I'm going a day early. So I'm actually coming in late Wednesday night, and then I'll be there all day Thursday. So if you want to hang out and stitch, let me know. Get a hold of me. So excited for that. So excited. She did an update that I watched this morning. And I'm like, Hands-On Design, Kathy did a design for us. Thank you, Kathy. How sweet is that? Like, can't wait to get it. And then just she had a picture of little wood pieces. Super cute. It's just little tasters, right? You just get so, I'm so excited. I just want to go right now. Just want to go right now. Yeah, let me know if you're going. All right, told you guys it's gonna be super quick. So update, shop update. Hey, Sampler Stitcher, I now have a second version of it because I wanted to show off more of the sampler fabric. So, am I upside down? No, I'm right, okay. So you can still get this version if you like that, or you can get this version with the print. So that's that. And then B Special Edition. Oop, that's the little patch for the next one. This one has got the bee inside the bee embroidery, and it comes with a scissor fob and a thread keep. I only have a few of these left, but I will have a new colorway version as soon as these sell out. So if you miss out on these, don't worry. There's just as cute of a version coming. And now for the special edition, this is the new one. This is the Fresh Pumpkins. And on the inside, so what I actually did was I scanned my stitching before I finished it. And then I printed it out with my special printer and heat press. So, and this is Lady Dot Creates Ric Rac in the color Jack. Then there's a little patch. And then on the inside, the embroidery is pumpkins. And then you also get a thread keep. And you get the chart, the printed chart. And where did you guys just saw me hold up the patch. Oh, I know, it's right here. You get the patch included, so if you want to finish it in a similar manner, you can. But Lady Dot Creates has an Etsy shop, so if you want to get some of that Jack trim Ric Rac, go for it. Tell her I sent you. I would like that. Yeah, the printed chart and this, and I told you everything about it. So yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Go check it out on my Etsy shop. You guys can find me on Instagram at Kelly Stadola and my website, thatsokelly.com. Also my Etsy shop. All my links are below. Go ahead and check them out. I'm really sorry. This is a very fast and kind of a little bit rushed update. But I just want to make sure I got it done. All right, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye. I lied. I'm not saying goodbye yet. I have a giveaway. Hello. Okay, we're gonna give away two. So if you like pumpkins, say I like the pumpkins in the comments below, but you know, chat with me in the comments too, please, not just giveaway. So this is one. And then to celebrate September sampler stitching, this is the second one. Say, I'm a sampler stitcher. So one or the other, you will win one or the other. So there'll be two. And this way it'll make me shoot another update sooner than later. I'm hoping, I want to do every 2 weeks because that's good. So, and if you, the other thing I wanted to say real quick, if you liked my little mouse design, he's coming in a pumpkin. It's just going to be a couple weeks for me to get it all done and everything. So, all right, now it's goodbye. Happy stitching.